Hello, this will be the screen repair for the new Dells. These will be the devices that all the students will be using in the high school, so they'll need to be repaired a lot, especially the screens. They break quite a bit. So they will have stickers on them, but you could stab through them with a screwdriver like so, and take it off this way. You'll have to press a little bit hard, but it's the easiest way to do it that I found. You just gotta use a slightly bigger screwdriver than you would normally. It works pretty well though. Of course, the magnetic screwdriver doesn't, hold on to it, but it's fine. There's that screw, and the last one. And there we go. Now, as always, we'll use the spudger to pry the bevel up from, the rest of the case. Being careful not to stab any of the, things inside that are important to the computer working. And then you just peel the rest off, like so. And yeah, I just broke that. That's really not ideal. Please don't break the bevels. Luckily, this is my own, student device, and it wasn't really, optimal. So I had to use the spudger to peel it back up. Again, don't break them. We don't have any spares either, because none of these devices have been broken to the point of no repair. So yeah, no spare parts. Try not to break them. Anyway, we'll just peel the rest of it up like that. And these have little clips things. Now for the rest of them, they'll be attached to the bevel, but these hinge clips are actually, there they are. They'll just pop out, but they're separate to the rest of the bevel. So you'll have to take those out from the back first. Then open the device back up, and this should just pop right out and slide. There we go. Next, there'll be 4 screen screws, 2 on each of the short sides, so you'll have to unscrew those, of course. There's 1. Don't lose them. And there's 2. 3. And the 4th one. Easy. And now just kind of pick it up like that. You might have to use a spudger. There we go. Flip it over, of course. There'll be tape holding the screen cable in. You'll just have to peel it up. It's kind of annoying, but it's necessary. And then you'll just pop it out. Of course, you have to lift up the little lever first. Using the spudger is the easiest way to do this. It just kind of folds out. And then you just pull the screen cable out, like so. And then get a new screen, whether it be from an already parted device or a completely new screen. And there we go. Plug it back in. Put the lever back over. And the tape. And it just sets in there. Line up the screw holes. Make sure you get the screen cable where it was, or it'll pinch when you put the bevel back on, and then you'll have to replace the screen cable. Anyway. Screw the screws back in. There's still 4, so screw all 4 of them in, please. Again, if you don't put all the screws in, the device will break faster and you'll have to repair it again. And there's the 4th screw. Get the bevel that I broke. You'll have to push it in towards the keyboard first, and then pop in all the sides. And then you'll flip it over, and then get the little bevel clips. And these will just clip straight in. You just kind of push them down. You gotta make sure they're on the right side first. There'll be a flat side and a round side, and the flat side will go in. Like so. And you just clip it in. They're a bit tricky. I've only done them a few times, so I'm having a bit trouble here, but they'll be fine. Just don't break them. There we go. And the other. Clips in like that. And there we go. That's a repaired screen, and it should work. See ya.